Ever open your fridge and found a mystery container you're scared to even sniff? What if there was a way for food storage to actually feel satisfying? Today, we're diving into the world of food storage with glass containers that promise to make your kitchen not only neater, but also improve how you cook, prep, and enjoy leftovers. I know, it sounds wild to geek out about food containers, but trust me, if you've ever wrestled with a leaky tub or that weird stained plastic, you know that good containers can be life-changing. In this video, I'll walk you through my hands-on experiences with my top 5 picks for glass food storage. 5. Pyrex Simply Store. So, Pyrex is a classic. Like, everyone's grandma seemed to have some Pyrex in the kitchen, right? The Simply Store set brings that old-school reliability with thick, tempered glass that's safe for the oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher. I've tried everything from leftover lasagna to a batch of chili in these, and the glass never stains or holds onto weird odors. But, and this is where I started having second thoughts, the lids can feel a little flimsy compared to the solid glass base. Honestly, it's almost comical. The containers themselves feel like they could survive a kitchen apocalypse. But the lids? Not so much. I've had a couple crack on me, especially after repeated runs in the dishwasher. They're also not microwave safe, despite some confusing packaging. So, the dream of popping your leftovers in the microwave with the lid on? Not advised. And yeah, they heat up a lot in the microwave, so be careful if you're grabbing one straight out. Even so, I can't deny Pyrex's usefulness. They nest beautifully, tidy up your cabinets, and those classic glass bases are tough to beat for the price. Also, let's admit it, there's a little nostalgia every time I use one. But for a product that's supposed to simply store, the lid situation is a pretty major hiccup. 4. Vtopmart 8-pack glass food storage. I was actually surprised with these because the first thing you notice is the tight 4-hinge snap lock lids. Like, there's no way soup is spilling in your lunch bag. I've put these through some serious tests: saucy pasta, runny soups, even overnight oats that tend to splatter in the fridge. All sealed in perfectly, no leaks, nada. The borosilicate glass is sturdy and can handle going from freezer to oven, which is fantastic for prepping meals ahead. However, I did run into a couple of little quirks. First, these aren't really the easiest to stack when you've got all the lids on. I mean, space is precious in my kitchen, and I wish these had a bit more of a nest-friendly design. Sometimes it feels like a weird container Tetris. Also, while those 4 hinges are awesome for sealing, every now and then you'll need some muscle to pop them open. Yeah, especially if your hands are wet or greasy. And not gonna lie, there's a bit of a chemically smell from the rubber seals out of the box. Obviously, after a couple of washes, it fades, but it's jarring at first. Still, I love that they're truly leak-proof, super versatile with all those shapes and sizes, and stick around for the long haul. Just wish they were a little more ergonomic, and honestly, a touch cuter. 3. Rubbermaid Brilliance glass food storage. So first impression, these are sleek, the lids are crystal clear, and the whole set feels incredibly premium. The standout here is the airtight leak-proof seal with latches that genuinely work. I've never had a spill. In fact, I can just throw soup, curries, or even marinated meats right in my backpack without a second thought, and there's zero mess. The modular stacking is a blessing for anyone with a packed fridge. And the vented microwave-safe lids? Total game changer for reheating without splatter. What I really enjoyed was just how effortlessly everything clicks together. The universal lids across the Rubbermaid Brilliance line are convenient, so you're not hunting down matching tops. The glass bases can go in the oven up to 450 degrees, which, wow, makes these more than storage. They're genuinely multi-purpose, going from oven to fridge to dinner table. Cleanup is simple too. No weird stains, no lingering smells, and the pieces come out of the dishwasher looking brand new. Still, if I'm being super picky, the lids do require a little firm pressure to close and sometimes need a bit of a pry to open, especially when you're in a rush. The small crevices in the lid can also gather grime if you're not thorough. But overall, the experience has been, dare I say, brilliant. 2. OXO Good Grip Smart Seal. Okay, runner-up time. Number 2 is the OXO Good Grip Smart Seal. And, can we just acknowledge how satisfying it is to use an OXO product? There's something about their designs that just feels thoughtful. With the Smart Seal, you get borosilicate glass that handles cold to hot transitions with zero drama. The kind of durability that means the container is just as happy in the freezer as it is in a hot oven. What genuinely sets the OXO apart, though, is the user experience. The lids have 4 latches that provide an airtight, leak-proof seal, but they're also delightfully easy to open and close. And the removable silicone gasket? Absolute win for cleaning. No weird food buildup, no mysterious smells. I've packed leftovers, lunch, meal prep, and even some pretty gnarly curries in here. Stains? None. Leaks? Never. Also, there's a surprising elegance to the design. It actually transitions nicely from fridge to serving table. Another thing, these stack and nest neatly, saving precious cabinet space. I've even got several sets, and they just fit together so efficiently. Of course, if you're storing super large portions, you might wish for some bigger sizes in the starter sets. But overall, OXO absolutely nailed it for practicality, performance, and long-term use. 1. Amazon Basics Glass Food Storage. Now, I'll be honest, I went into this expecting basic in every sense. But wow, was I wrong. These containers check all the boxes and then some. For starters, the glass containers are made with thick, durable material, and the lids snap on with a reassuring click that somehow just feels secure. The fit is tight, like really tight, so you don't have to worry about leaks or air ruining your leftovers. The different sizes are genuinely useful, from small snacks to big meal portions, and everything is both freezer and microwave safe. I made everything from salads to chili to leftover pizza, and even after a week, nothing got that weird fridge funk. Washing up was breezy, no lingering odors, no stains from tomato sauces, and the glass stays crystal clear. But the wildest part? The value. This set is budget-friendly and stands up to the big brands without flinching. Honestly, after weeks of daily use, I struggled to find any real downsides. If I had to nitpick, maybe the latches are a little stiff the first couple of times, but that fades fast. They seal so well that even soups or saucy leftovers didn't spill out in my backpack. And the containers never fogged up or got cloudy. These are the containers that actually make you want to meal prep or store leftovers. No dredging up weird odors, no uncertain leaks, and no hunting for matching lids. Final thought. Thanks for sticking with me through my emotional roller coaster of glass containers. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest, in-depth kitchen gear reviews. Let me know in the comments, what's your go-to food storage container? Did I miss your favorite? Stay tuned, because next time, we're tackling the world of non-stick pans, and you don't want to miss it.